Hi guys, Colette and Coffee here today to talk to you about a new thing that I'm trying, which is Try It Tuesdays. So basically I'm going to try a different thing each Tuesday, show it in the video, and we'll see how it turns out. The thing for today is going to be trying to do snow-covered trees using masking fluid to mask off the areas where the snow is. I'm going to be using one of these really kind of funky natural sponges that I have from just kind of a multi-pack, along with Winsor & Newton masking fluid, on a pretty standard watercolor journal book. It's not my favorite paper, but I thought if we're experimenting, we might as well go for something fun, different. All right, well, I'll flip the camera around and let you see. We'll do a little speed video.